Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Akshita Patil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and today's subject is OOPS with Java, and the topic is Simple Notepad. So first we will see today's agenda. First we will start with introduction, then key features of the notepad, then we will see the program to create a simple notepad, then how to build the user interface. Next we will discuss responding to user actions, then enhancing the notepad, then diverse applications of the notepad and running the notepad application, and at last we will discuss conclusion. Let's start with an introduction. Creating a simple notepad application in Java requires a graphical user interface, that is GUI. The shortest approach to building a basic notepad with essential features like opening, saving and editing text is to use Java's Swing library. Then the prerequisites for creating a simple notepad. First one is the Java development kit installed on your system, and the second one is the basic knowledge of Java and Swing components. So now we will discuss key features of a notepad. First one is the open. It allows users to open and load text files from their local file system. Then the second one is the save. It enables users to save their edited text to a file on their computer. And the third one is the exit. It provides a seamless way to close the application when the user is done. So this is the program to create a simple notepad. This program includes components like JText area for a text input. Then it also includes various file operations like open and save. It opens a file chooser dialog to select a file, and it also opens a file chooser dialog to select a location to save the file. Then it also uses buffer reader and buffer writer to handle file input and output operations. Then it also includes the error handling. It displays an error message using J option pin if there is an issue. Then when we run this program, we will get this output. So next we will discuss the user interface. For building the user interface, we want following components. First one is the JText area, the central component for a text input and editing, allowing users to write and modify their notes. Next one is the J menu bar and J menu, crafting a clean and intuitive menu system with options for opening, saving and exiting the application. And the last one is the J scroll pane, providing a scrollable view of the text area, ensuring a seamless experience even with the longer documents. So now we will discuss how to handle file operations. First one is the opening files. Using the J file chooser to allow users to navigate their file system and select a text file to open. Then next one is the saving files. Leveraging the J file chooser to enable users to save their edited text to a desired location on their computer. And the last one is the error handling, displaying informative error messages to the user in case of any file related issues. So next, responding to user actions. First one is the open, handling the user's request to open a file by displaying a file chooser dialog. Next one is the save, responding to the user's desire to save their edited text by prompting them to select a file location. And the last one is the exit, gracefully closing the application when the user chooses to exit the notepad. So our next point is enhancing the notepad. First one is the formatting options. It allows users to change the font size and style of the text in the notepad. Next one is the find and replace. Implement a search and replace functionality to help users quickly edit their text. And the last one is the undo or redo. It provides users with the ability to easily correct mistakes by undoing or redoing their actions. So now we will discuss applications of the Notepad. First one is the text editing. Use the Notepad to write and edit text-based documents such as notes, lists, or plain text files. Then the programming code. Beginners can use the Notepad to write and save small code snippets or scripts in a various programming languages. Then the data organization. Organize and keep track of a simple text notes, diary, entries and other text-based information. Then last one is the educational purpose. This program is a good example for learning about GUI programming in Java. Next point is running the Notepad application. First one is the compile and run. Launch the Java program to open the Notepad window. Then second one is the open file. Click on the file menu and select open to load the text file. And next one is the save file. After editing the text, click on the file menu and select save to save the file. And the last one is the exit the application. Click on the file menu and select exit to close the notepad. So our last point is conclusion. The simple notepad application built with a Java Swing is an excellent starting point for beginner Java programmers to learn graphical user interface, that is GUI development. By understanding the key components file, input and output, and event handling, you can further enhance the application with advanced features and explore more complex graphical user interface, that is GUI programming projects. This code provides a solid foundation for building a simple text editor using Java's Swing library. It demonstrates the fundamental aspects of a graphical user interface, that is GUI development, while being simple enough for beginners to understand. Enhancement can be added as you gain more experience with Swing, making the notepad more feature rich and functional. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.